Today I'm going to show you how to connect Spotfire with your SAP BusinessObjects universe using Toreo data. We've already installed the Toreo data universe ODBC driver, so we can go into our data sources and add a new one, and you'll see Toreo data SAP BusinessObjects universe. So select that and say finish, then just give it a name. We'll call this eFashion universe, and the CMC is the URL to your CMC. Here we're just using localhost. The port is the default port used by SAP's REST web services, along with the URL is the default URL, but those can be changed. So if you've made changes, just make sure they reflect here. The username and password will need to be entered. You can select any number of three different authentication types, either Enterprise, Windows AD, or LDAP. Here we're just using Enterprise. And next we're going to add new query definitions. So we select a universe. This only shows UNX universes, so we'll select eFashion, and then we're presented with objects from the universe. We'll give it a name and select some dimensions along with some measures, and we can preview the information so that we're sure we're getting what we expect. And it only shows the top 50 rows, but all will be retrieved when using the driver. Say OK, and next you have to put in a license key and say OK, and now you will see the eFashion universe in your list of drivers. And next we'll start up Spotfire. Once Spotfire is loaded, we will add data tables and create a connection to a database. And ODBC provider, click configure, select the eFashion universe one, and give it your username and password, and it will ask you what tables. You can see the columns there if you only want certain columns, and give your data source a name. Just give it the same as the table. Say OK. And now the data will be imported, and then we can select state, year, and sales revenue, and Spotfire will recommend a few things. So we'll add a couple of charts and the data and close that, and now you can see here's just the simple data, some sales revenues by state per year, and the same thing in a bar chart, and it's as simple as that. Thank you.